Hi guys, this is my 99 Jeep Cherokee and I have a 24-inch light bar at the bottom and a 50-inch light bar at the top. And I want to show you guys how I cured the whistling problem. Now mind you, these are two aux beam eBay LED light bars. I know LED light bars cost upwards to $500 to $1,000. I off-road very lightly. This is my daily driver, and I really did it for looks. But both light bars, the top one was, the 50-inch was about $150, and the 24-inch was about $60. And I have two smaller ones. It was about, I got it for like another $15 that I put in the rear. But I ain't gonna show you those. They're two 4-inch though. They're pretty good. But just to cure the whistling problem, because when I first installed them, with installation was about $150. So in total, I spent less than $500, which is actually good for all four of them. For the 50-inch, the 24-inch, in addition to the two 4-inches that I have in the rear. So I spent less than $500, which is, and they work amazing. But just going back to the initial problem that I had was the whistling problem. Now first, I didn't know anything about this until I started driving. So you're driving about maybe 10-15 miles an hour and you hear this crazy whistling and ringing sound. Like, it's so annoying, like the worst sound you probably can ever actually hear. And I actually drive my car daily, and my job is about 30 to 45 minutes away on a highway, and it was so bad for me the first day. So I YouTubed it and actually looked on how to solve the problem, and I came across some actually good instructional videos. But the best one that I came across was instead of putting a weather strip all the way across, that's nice, instead of putting a weather strip all the way across like some other people do, I put caulk here. Like go to your local Home Depot or hardware store and get some caulk for about like $4. I caulked all of the ridges, because you see all the ridges go, all the vents basically go all the way across to the other end. So I put some caulk here all the way down to the bottom, and the caulk is white, and I plastic dipped it black. I plastic dipped it black, and it actually came out good and completely got rid of the sound. And I also got some silicone, the vents as well on the side, and just for a little extra security and some extra security on the sound. So what happens is the wind comes up under here and it makes this annoying whistling sound, and it's like something is hitting the vent, like some air is hitting the vent really loud. So I did that side, and I also went over to, I got this off eBay too. It's pretty good. 5-inch. That's a pretty good idea too. It says get rid of the 36-inch, get the 5-inch antenna. That's pretty good. Now I put some silicone on this side. I didn't caulk this side because I really didn't need to, but I would just put some silicone on that side as well. And I can turn the light bars on for you, so I can show you how you look. And I got the switches inside. I got auto start on my truck too, so. Yeah, take this inside. And, sorry. Got my switches here. And, bing. My wife is like out there right now. Let's put this on pause for a second. Alright, my wife went away. And, sorry, here are my lights. And these are eBay lights, which is pretty good. Alright, I'm turning them off. So sorry, this is, okay, so, 99 Jeep XJ. Subscribe, comment. Thank you very much.